નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Standard 3rd. Subject Environment. Chapter number 10 about Kitchen Part 1.
Good morning, students. How are you all? See, we do so many activities from morning till night. Okay, and for all these activities we need energy. And where do we get the energy from? So we get energy from the food we eat, right? And there are many different types of the food that we can eat, and some of the food are that we can eat raw, and some food we have to cook, and after that only we can eat, right? So we can use pulses, then grains and vegetables and fruits as a food to get the energy. Okay, so without eating food we can't get the energy and all the sufficient nutrients for our body. Okay, and where is this food cooked? It is cooked in our kitchen. Okay, so today in our next chapter we will learn about the kitchen. Okay, so let us start our chapter number 10, that is about kitchen. Okay, so in this chapter there is given one picture. So let us see this picture. Okay, see, in this picture there are given some dots in some of the shapes, and some of the shapes are without the dots. So after coloring the dots we can see some of the utensils in this picture. Okay, so now let us find which are the utensils given in this picture. So in these pictures we have seen some of the utensils. So let us see the utensils. Okay, so number 1 is frying pan. Okay, number 2 pot. Number 3 serving spoon. Number 4 spatula. Number 5 pressure cooker. And there are 3 more utensils also. I have not written their name, so you have to write these 3 names by yourself. Okay, so among 8 utensils I have given the 5 names. So rest of the 3 you have to find by yourself. Okay, here from this picture we have seen some of the utensils that are given in picture, but still there are many utensils used in the kitchen. So there is even one more exercise in this chapter. In that you have to write the name of other utensils. Okay, and do you know that these utensils are made of different materials? Okay, like steel, brass, bronze. Okay, let us see what are the utensils made of. Number 1 is steel. So you all have seen the steel utensils in your house. The dish in which you are eating food, it is made of steel. The glass from which you drink water, it is also made of steel, right? Then number 2 is copper. Number 3 glass. Number 4 aluminium. Number 5 bronze. Number 6 iron. Number 7, mud or clay. Okay, now these are, see, there is one more, that is brass. Okay, so these are the different materials from which the utensils are made. So let us see what are the utensils made of. The utensils are made of steel, copper, glass, aluminium, bronze, iron, mud or clay and brass. Clear everyone? Today we can find many of the varieties in the utensils. Okay, there are many types of utensils available today, but in the ancient times there were utensils that were very heavy in weight, like made of iron, then brass, okay, copper, and also these utensils have different types of designs on that utensils also. But nowadays you can find many of the utensils that are light in a weight and of different materials according to our need. Okay, so as we know, we can see many of the variety in the food. Among them, some of the food we can eat raw and some of the food we need to cook first. And there are some food also that we can eat both raw and cooked. Okay, so now let us see the things that are eaten raw. Raw means kacha. So the first one is carrot, then tomatoes, right? Now the next one is cucumber, fruits and onions. All these things can be eaten raw. It means they are not needed to cook. Now let us see the things that are eaten cooked. So the first one is rice. See, we cannot eat the rice raw, but first we have to cook the rice and after that only we can eat the rice. So like that only, pulses. Okay. The next one is khichdi, bhakri and roti. Okay. Now let us see the things that are eaten both raw and cooked. Okay. Cabbage, carrot, onion, tomato, and the last one is radish. Okay? Clear everyone? So, which are the foods that can be eaten raw, the foods that need to be cooked first, and the food that can be eaten both raw and cooked.
Thank you for joining us.